Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the website that I've taken for you guys is Uiro. So as you can see on my screen, so this is basically a website which offers a lot of courses for different people, or I would rather say different students. So you can see over here I have got some courses. It is absolutely free, so you do not have to pay any amount to enroll yourself for this course. So I'm going to show you some courses which they are offering. So you have critical reasoning. So it's a self-paced course and it's available. It's a full course and the level is first year. Then you can see managing my money. This is one of the course, and these courses are very basic courses, as in there are some basic things about that we don't know or that we don't understand, but these courses kind of clarifies those things. For example, introduction to ecosystem. So ecosystem is something that you must have studied before as well in your primary classes probably, but this kind of gives you more deeper insight into the same topic which you just studied a little bit about it, right? You must have studied a little bit about that, the ecosystem in your, maybe in your primary level, so it would give you a deeper insight into that particular course, that particular topic through this course. So succeed with maths, then succeed with maths part 2, English skills for learning, so especially if you are a person who is kind of facing difficulty in English, in speaking or writing English. So this course is definitely good for you, and the time limit is also written for how many weeks and how many hours this course has to be done, how many, what is the duration of this course, it's also mentioned. So again, it's a self-paced course, it's available now. It is a micro course in 8 weeks 3 hours. The duration is 8 weeks 3 hours. Then succeed with learning. So it's all, everything is mentioned in this, what kind of course it is, what they are going to teach you, everything is being mentioned in the description over here. If you see, so you can go through the courses. There are a lot of courses that they are offering to you guys, which are totally free of cost, so you do not have to pay any money. So you can also see they have some new courses for you which you can enroll yourself into. So these courses are really good. Now if you want, I'll just go and click on one of the courses to show you how it really works. So we'll go on succeed with learning. Now here you can see what it is about. This course takes your life as its starting point, developing your awareness of just how much you have already learned and what you are capable of. Okay, so this is the kind of course it's going to be. Then what will you learn in this? After completing this course, you'll be able to understand how learning takes place every day. You will appreciate the qualities, skills and knowledge you have already. You'll know better how to use computers for learning, understand how reflection and feedback can help you make the most of your learning, discuss some important theories about learning, and develop a learning action plan to help you move forward. So there are a lot of things that you're going to learn this in this course. What's involved, it's also written, and prerequisites, you do not need any prerequisite. Okay, so you do not have to have a certain kind of knowledge, a certain kind of thing to enroll yourself for this course. So you can see over here, course code available 10 February 2015, duration is 8 weeks 3 hours. It's a micro course. Assessments are going to be of 2 hours. Course credit, it's non-accredited. Then credential, you're going to digital badge and a statement of participation. So you are also going to get a badge, so it's going to be really beneficial for you. So I'm definitely hoping you guys to apply for this. So do apply. You can just click on start learning and then you can sign up yourself and apply for this course. It has a lot of different courses that, just like I mentioned before, showing you this course. So I would definitely recommend you guys to apply for this. It has a lot of courses, very basic courses, which you should definitely do and grab this opportunity that you're getting. So do enroll in this, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video. And also if you have any doubts, any queries, if you want to ask something or you want to recommend something or you want me to put specific kind of videos, you can mention that in the comments down below. And also if you feel some of your friends might be needing this kind of video or they need some courses, you can share this with them, you can share the video with them. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting new courses, certification courses, job notifications, and all these kind of things you'll always be updated with. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.